Fish Pro Trophies. First video, cleaning it out. We did some runs over in the Keys. So this is going to be the first video. We have two of these. These are the quick connect or disconnect. Pull on this and it pops out. This part goes to the hose. This part goes on the ski. Already put it on this one. Oh, that one, sorry. It's already installed and it's easy to install. Right there. And just screw it in. Holy shit. This is much easier on TV. We're not doing any takes. We're going straight at it. And screw it in and out. Yeah, it doesn't take this long to screw it in the other one. That wasn't all videotaping. Hey! That's not my hand, that's my kid's hand. Just screws in, just make it finger tight. Make sure it doesn't pop out. It's ready to go. Alright, here's the applicator. Don't know how to use this stuff, but I'm going to learn one-handed. That's what comes with it. Pretty cool. It's got an O-ring on it and a little cup. Hold this for me, please. Watch it. It's live. O-ring goes on this thing, and this guy goes screwed in. It's got two settings: water only, mixture, and then you flip it for mixture. Let's see how that works. I'm gonna go with water only, and then we just add the concentrate, and we're good. Right. Go. Here we go. We're gonna follow the steps again. Take off the canister, get your salt off concentrate, fill it up. Oh, added too much. Wait, better. Cover this up. Let's put this guy on. I got water only. Let's try it. Oh yeah, water only. All right, then we come over here, we plug it in. It's as easy as, oh, this one had the, never took this plug off. It's as easy as taking this off and putting the other one on. And that's it. Once you hear it click, it's ready. Then you go turn it on.
is all there is to it. Two nice, clean, flushed out skis.